Welcome back to the Canvas Whisper, my little art corner. Today we are bringing to life a slice of Kolkata, the city of joy, where every street tells a story. We will be painting a busy street scene with the iconic yellow taxi, auto, tall buildings, and the most important, tangled wires, the heartbeat of this city. So let's get started. Start with light pencil lines, outline the tall buildings in the background and add the barricades, and then sketch the taxi and auto in the foreground. Don't worry about making it perfect. The charm of the street scenes lies in their little imperfections. First, I have splashed the painting with water and then used diluted gray to paint the buildings, leaving them light and muted. Notice how this pushes the background black, so our vehicles in the front will pop later. A bit of green here and there to suggest trees and shadows. Now comes the fun part, the iconic yellow taxi. With the bright yellow and a touch of black, it immediately becomes the hero of the painting. Next, I added the blue auto beside it, balancing the colors and adding contrast to the grey background. I use darker grey for the road and the barricades. Soft brush strokes gives the feeling of shadows and depth. Look how the vehicles stand out now. Just like in real life when you walk down a Kolkata street. I darken some wires, deepen the shadows, and add a few finishing lines. Suddenly, the whole scene feels alive. You can almost hear the honking, the chatter, and the footsteps. Now I go over the sketch with black color. I add the windows, the wires, and little signboards. These tiny details created the chaotic yet beautiful energy of Kolkata streets. This painting is not just about buildings and cars, it's also about the capturing the soul of the city, the hustle, the chaos, and the warmth. That's what art does. It turns everyday streets into a timeless memory. This painting connected with you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And tell me in comments which city should I capture next with my brushes. Till then, bye.